Top 100 tips and tricks. This is a complete guidance of WhatsApp. So everything you need to know, new changes, new update on WhatsApp, you can get inside this video. So stay tuned and relax and enjoy the show. Number one tips, you can use WhatsApp multiple account in single WhatsApp application. This is a new feature which WhatsApp allow you to do. So if you don't see this feature, go to your Google Play Store or App Store and update your WhatsApp to the latest version. To use this, if you have multiple accounts, you can just go to your WhatsApp application and go to your profile and you can see the new option, select account. If you then put another account, just tap add account and put your phone number and then you can register. So this is a new cool feature which you can use multiple accounts in single WhatsApp application. Guys, what do you think about this new feature? Let me know in the comment section. This is the number one tips. Let's move into the next tips.